The second thing that I think is really crucial for us to think about is this idea of human skills. Empathy, self-awareness, right? All these different types of human skills that are so crucial. And nowhere is this more evident when we specifically look at management and leadership. Now think about for a minute what a manager does. Right? A manager's role is broken up into two areas, essentially. On the one hand, you have the decision-making, strategy, you have the data, you have the information, you decide what course the organization is going to take. Right? That's the one aspect of the manager. The other aspect of a manager is getting people to move in that direction. Not because you're telling them to, but because they want to. Because they believe in you, they believe in the mission, they believe in the course that you're setting out. Now think about what a bad manager does. A bad manager focuses on the decision-making, the command and control, telling others what to do. I have the power, I set the direction, you go execute. That's what a bad manager does. A good manager possesses both of those skills. Now, we talk a lot about AI and artificial intelligence and algorithms, all these things that are coming into our organization. Do you think that in the coming years, even now, AI will do that decision-making piece better than a manager ever could? Chances are yes. So if you're a bad manager, what good are you? If that's the one thing that you did that you don't need to do anymore, then why does the company need you? They don't. But if you're a good manager, and you're also good at the engaging, empowering, motivating, inspiring others, all of a sudden you've become 10 times more valuable inside of the organization. So you have to focus on those human skills.